pagkatapos kumain ng mag bubble tea. Ngayon naman Hawaiian poke bowl. Because of this kid, she want the Hawaiian poke bowl. Look at yours, Daddy. It looks good. This is what I always like. They have a very nice bowl. And they have lemon water. Look at mine.
Just
Spicy. Oh, they removed the lemon? Oh, no. Isn't it? So there is ginger sushi. And there is the pineapple. Kailangan ihalo-halo mo. Cilantro, edamame. I have tuna, salmon. And marinated salmon. Salmon. And corn. And brown rice. Ooh, this looks good. Ooh, diba? Gusto nang kainin tong salmon. Grape tomato. Hindi kumakanta naman sa background. Hindi pwede yan eh. Pagkain niya oh. White rice sa kanya. Sa amin ni Daddy, brown rice. Ano yan? Naging volcano. Hawaiian poke bowl. That's, you follow them on Instagram. Kain po tayo. Bakit yung kamay ko nakahalo? Ayan o. The salmon looks good. Kain muna kami. May pepino.
Parang wala silang ganito sa akin.
Saan?
Yung poke bowl sa
Crab salad.
Mall of America.
Walang Hawaii poke bowl doon. Yung kwan lang ang meron doon.
It's kind of like a replica.
Yeah, parang replica lang niya. Yung sa ano yan? Tokyo. Yung poke. Tokyo poke. I believe. Sure, it's spicy because there is jalapeno. Mukbang tayo. Healthy mukbang. Yung I can taste the fresh salmon. Ang sarap. Parang it tastes like yung natikman ko parang sa tiyan ng bangus. There's mango. But ang bilis yung kumain.
You just started.
Ganito pala yung peppered corn.
Ibang lasa?
Durog, salmon. Hindi ko pa nakuha.
Anong lasa? Peppered salmon?
Spicy salmon.
Oh, spicy salmon. How is it? Mas masarap yung marinated?
Oo, pwede. Masarap din, kaya lang mas gusto ko yung
marinated?
Yung texture ng kasama.
Oh. Yeah?
He's saying, oh, Esther.
Pilipino talaga ito akong kumain. Yung pag-upo niya.
Hey.
Ganyan ang Hawaii Pokeball. Masyadong maaraw sa labas.
Sino ba ito muna ng ibakan niya? Kung dyan hindi ito muna ng ibakan niya.
Oh,
Tapos good. May kambal.
Dad's food looks so good because it has mango sauce. What else? What sauce did you have, Daddy? El sauce?
No.
The spicy ponzo?
Spicy ponzo, spicy
The
mayo.
spicy poke?
Spicy poke, spicy mayo.
Spicy mayo?
Japanese citrus.
Japanese citrus, I have that too. Sa kabila, chipotle. I like that they have edamame. Hindi ko maubos. Ang dami. Busog pa ako doon sa bubble tea. Bubble tea. Oh, lagyan namin lahat dyan kasi hindi namin naubos. Tapos na. Tara na. Ang ganda sa labas, diba? Oh, enjoy summertime, guys. Ayan oh, yung drain.
Let's go.
Okay, tara na eh.
Oh.
Hindi naman lahat may gusto kasi niyan. Ito. Ayan, sa Apple Valley to. Thanks for watching Glenda Life Journey USA. Hey, there's our Pokeball. How is your food, Daddy?
Let's go. Papa.
Meal?
Alright, folks. Thanks again for your support. Glenda Life Journey USA here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And there is Hawaiian Pokeball. Where is that now? Oh, right there at the very end.